Are you considering hiring a biller in your private therapy practice, but wonder if it's the right time? Hi everyone, I'm Beata, one of the co-founders of TheraPlatform and EHR for therapists, and in today's video I'll cover 6 reasons why you should wait to hire a biller for your private practice and a few insurance billing tips and resources at the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below if you're on the fence about hiring a biller in your private practice. Before I dive in, if you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, click the bell icon to get notifications about more videos like this. Thank you for your support, and let's get started. As a business owner myself, I know that hiring the right people for the right job can make a huge difference for your business. But the key is also to hire at the right time, and sometimes it is not a good idea to hire right away. So if you're thinking about hiring a biller, start with the why not first before jumping to yes, I need to hire one tomorrow. And here are 6 reasons why you should not hire a biller right away. Number 1, if you don't have any insurance knowledge yet, don't hire a biller. And you might be thinking, well, Beata, this is the very reason I want to hire a biller. But if you've never submitted a claim yourself or taken courses on insurance billing, it might be difficult to hire a good biller because you may not know what questions to ask during the interview. Plus, if you don't have any knowledge on insurance or coding, it could be difficult to monitor the performance of the new biller or a billing company. Also, it takes time to hire good people. Don't expect to hire a biller next week or even a month. It can take 3 or more months to hire someone amazing. Another reason is people come and go, or they just turn out not to be a good match after hire. So if you relied on one biller or one service and the biller resigns or is terminated, you would have no backup and your practice could suffer financially. So before you hire a biller, learn all you can about insurance billing, and you do have a lot of different options out there. You can take continuing education classes with your organization, you can take some paid classes through American Billing Association, partner with a fellow therapist who offers classes in your space, or you can also sign up for our free on-demand insurance billing course for therapists. I've included the link for you to enroll below this video. Second reason for not hiring a biller yet is if you only bill a few insurance companies or you submit a few claims, the biller or the outsourced billing company might be too costly to justify the hire or service. The average billing service fee is between 6 to 8% of claim revenue, and if you were to hire a biller, the annual salary is between $50 to $1,000 a year. Number 3, if you are able to submit claims in a timely manner yourself or have an EHR that batches or automates claims submitting for you, and you have a high success rate of paid claims, you may not need to hire a biller just yet. Number 4, if you can catch billing mistakes easily yourself, or you use an EHR that validates claims for basic information to ensure clean claims, and you can still focus on growing your business, you may not necessarily hire a biller just yet. Number 5, if you have time to track your claims and nothing else suffers in your business, then you may not need to hire a biller at this point. And finally, number 6, if you don't have too many denied claims and you're doing just fine with submitting and getting paid, this may not be a good time to hire a biller. A biller can be a great asset in your private practice if you bill insurance frequently enough, if you submit complex claims, or if you're spending too much time on insurance billing or on the phone with insurance companies. If you're a solo practitioner or a large group practice needing to scale your billing or saving time on billing, consider partnering with an EHR that has a strong backend for insurance billing and offers batching and automation. And saving time and making you and your team more efficient is something that my team and I are very passionate about here at TheraPlatform. So if you're interested in learning more about our EHR and how we can help you with billing, sign up for the free trial or request a demo. We'll be more than happy to meet with you and talk to you about your needs. I did include the links below, including the link to our free insurance billing course. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know by clicking the like button, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.